Everybody should consider becoming a volunteer because it adds so much to your own life.
I feel the volunteers make a massive impact here. They build really good rapport with the clients. They can actually help achieve what that individual wants to achieve within a session as well.
I volunteer because I want to give a little bit back, and I've got a little bit of spare time, so I enjoy it. Golf is my sport. You get a sense of satisfaction out of it. Some days you go home and you think, well, that was really nice. I had some good interactions, and yes, makes you feel good.
I love volunteering because it gives me an experience to help other people, and I'm also giving something back to people as well.
The difference the volunteers make to me is they make me feel like I'm liked. They just take you for being the person that you are now rather than the person you were before.
Oh, they're just so friendly and just like a family.
Oh, if the centre didn't exist, life would be very different because it's a 24-hour day being next to Neil. Without the centre, that would be really difficult. And without the volunteers, I'm sure the centre wouldn't be able to operate and take in as much time as they do. And having the volunteers here that help, because anything you do with Neil is very intense because he needs one-to-one totally. And although the staff are brilliant, I'm sure they couldn't do the job as well without volunteers here helping.
I just love the people. I'd come in and I'd volunteer every day if I could, because I love it that much. I just love the people. I think they're lovely. I need to make them happy. I go home feeling happy myself.
I just think because they've got so much to give and because they're doing it as a volunteer, I just think, well, it's priceless. You can't give any words for it, really.